Well, time to focus on business now. Business editor Mike Eppel joins us now. Now, Mike, big news out of Greece this morning. I understand they're calling it an agreement.
It's better than a Grexit from the euro, which had been the buzzword prior to what happened over the weekend. Greece basically buckled to pressure from its eurozone creditors and agreed to a $95 billion U.S. bailout plan, but and this is the key sticking point to all of this. Alexis Tsipras, the Greek Prime Minister, agreed to all sorts of austerity measures which were voted down in that referendum that Greeks voted on just over a week ago. So he's got to take this deal back to his parliament and say, well, it's a rock and a hard place here, and they're probably going to agree to all of this over the course of this week. But there is a lot of fear and loathing in Greece right now regarding all of this. The bottom line, though, is it appears that Greece will stay in the European Union pending approval, still tentative, and the markets are breathing a little sigh of relief today. But you're looking at an economy in Greece that has just been hammered through the delays in getting any type of deal done. It's been in recession. Some say it's in a complete depression over several years' time. Markets, though, are up to start the trading week, so that's good. And this is going to be a big week on a number of other fronts. We have key earnings due in this week from the likes of Netflix and Intel and Johnson & Johnson and Citigroup and Delta Airlines and American Airlines. So some key focal points on the U.S. economy and multinational companies. So that could be very big. The price for oil, meantime, down again this morning by 1.5%. It's back to $52 a barrel. Western Canadian Select crude is down below $40 a barrel U.S. All of this is the talk is that Saudi Arabia is still pumping at record levels on a daily basis. That's according to OPEC this morning. And we've got these Iranian nuclear negotiations underway in Vienna. If they lift sanctions against Iran, you're looking at another 3 million barrels of daily production possibly coming into an already oversupplied market. So that's something to watch over the course of this week. And speaking of dollars and cents and millions of dollars, that's a whole lot of Minions, because the Minions movie opened huge at the box office this weekend. $110 million box office receipt behind, I think it's number 3 on the list this year, behind the Jurassic Park movie and the Avengers, latest edition of that. So the kids my kids haven't seen it yet, but they're itching to do so. The little Minions want to get to the movies as quick as possible. Back to you.
No doubt my son's looking forward to that too, and I'm kind of looking forward to seeing that movie as well.
A lot of bananas.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Mike. That's business editor Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.
BT's Market Report is brought to you by 660 News.